Hello guys, I was just checking if it actually was recording. But today we're gonna be playing Blitz battle mode. And I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. It's too loud. I swapped computer. Now I'm a Mac. I have actually played a little bit of this game. Yeah, not doing face cam today though. Let's do this, boys. Also, this is an awesome game. I'm not sponsored though, so I didn't even think about that. But yeah, let's go. Yeah, maybe I'll do a double upload today. I have actually no idea. We got to 20 subscribers. Yeah, I'll be doing a giveaway as I promised. Who are they even shooting at? Where? Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Oh, enemy. How did it went right? Whatever. I don't know. You know. Fire. Die. Hey, boom. Okay, guys. Oof, it's gonna get intense. It's getting intense. 20. Oh, no, that was actually a hard hit. No, how did I miss? I should get enough momentum. 1828. Nice. No. Oh, damn. Okay. No, come on. Oh, you're right. Huh? Come on. 31, there we go. How is it missing? I actually need to retreat. Oh boy, 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 boy. Gonna get out the way. Oh, it's just random shit. No! Yes. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, that was actually. I don't know what to say, bro. I can switch tanks. Yeah, exactly. I really don't know what to say, guys. I'm so pissed right now. Pissed. Oh, dude. Okay. I'd actually never been in this position before, so let's go. And I'm sorry I haven't upgraded my subscription, but I think I will be doing that shortly. So actually you can hear me and hear the game. Face cam today I was not feeling well, so I really didn't know about it. So yeah. Okay. Come on. 4. Fire. No. Oh, he moved. Oh. Where is he actually shooting? Well, a little bit lag. Okay. Okay. America, boys. I need to hit its rails, so. Huh? Okay. Okay, nice. Boy, I like, I can still see your name tag, you know? Okay, there's one, there we go. 40? Yes, let's go, dude. Woo! Okay. Okay, I don't have premium. What? Okay, I want to check this. Though, what about England? Cause I do oh, alright. What is this? Okay, no, it's just like it's something. Just check how much. And I think we're back. Okay, so the M Cruiser is just back. Nope, not versus. Whee! I don't know how many subs are we at right now, but I'm really proud of what I am today and accomplished. I mean, I will be playing, oh, Jesus Christ, some Call of Duty, because I really want to show you how much progress and things I have done. I think this is the last match, guys. Come on, boy. This is the last match I will play, and then I will, and obviously end the video. So, yeah. So, seed, I actually, I mean, I can set, yeah, because of this. Oh, okay. Whee! What? Oh, I see it. Yeah, Woo! Jeez. I think. Oh no. Okay, gone. Yeah. Move. Wait. Wait a second. Oof, nice. Shit. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, it's slow, guys. Damn. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Ah, we're going to shoot. Aha. Woo! That actually took a long time, and I will apologize for that. Hey, 128. Well, guys, I think I'm gonna leave it here. So if you enjoyed, smash like button, and see you next time.